Hi, today we would learn how to make doors. Now there are different types of doors. We have the doors that have widths of 900 mm, we have those of 750 mm and etc. Now to start, you need to click on your screen. Now hit Ctrl N. So now if you have a pre-saved template, it makes things easy. If you don't have, you might have to start. So I have one, that's AutoCAD standard. Yeah, we click open. Now the first thing you need to check is to click on the roller button at the center of your mouse, drag your screen. Now watch your UCS icon. If it stays static, that means the origin has been set. It's better to draw without your origin being set. So I'll come to my command line, click on it, now type UCS icon. Now to set it to no origin, I have to go for the letters in blue, which coincidentally are the capital letters. So you can click on it or just come here and type N and hit your enter button. Now let's try it again. I drag my screen, it goes back. So now to start, I need to make a circle. Now I can make a circle by clicking here, but I prefer using the command line shortcuts. So I'll type C, enter. Now I'm asked on the command line to specify center point for this circle. So I'll click on my screen, anywhere on my screen. Now the next thing it says specify radius of circle. So just drag your cursor. Now type 840. That's going to be the width of our door. Now where is my circle? Now to retrieve your circle back, just come here to your command line and type Z, which is the shortcut for zoom. Hit your enter button. Now you can choose all or just type A, enter. So I'll type A and hit my enter button. So this is my circle. So I will zoom a little bit. Now I need to make out a line. I can come here, click on this, or preferably use my command line again. So L, enter. Now once you hit the side of the circle, you are going to get your center point for any object. So I'll click on this. Now I'm not moving straight. What do? I hit my auto, I switch it on. So now you can see I'm going straight. So you don't have to stop here. If you find it difficult, you can stop here. So I'll hit my escape button, go again. This time around I can hit my enter button because my last command was what? L, enter. So I just hit enter, come over here again to the center. I don't have to end at the edge of the circle. So now I hit escape again. Now I need to offset this to show the thickness of the door, so I will highlight this line. Now come here, type O, enter. Now set my offset to 50 mm. So click, don't offset to the left, offset to the right. So I'll click here, escape. Now I need to trim, so I go TR, enter, enter again. So let's trim off this, then this, then this. Now I can hit escape. Now the next thing to do is to create a rectangle which will signify the frame around the door itself. So let's type REC, hit our enter button, specify first corner of point. So I'll click anywhere on the screen, drag it. Now type art. To get your art, you hold down your shift and hit 2. Then I'll type 30, 30. So that is what it's going to be, a square. I will hit enter. So it's quite small. Zoom in a little bit. Now I will highlight it. Now type M, enter to move it. This time around I'll zoom in and take this edge as my base point. So let's go. Yeah, click here, then highlight it again. This time I'm going to copy. To copy, you type CO and hit enter. Then we'll go for this edge, then click on this. So I will hit escape. So we have a door. 900 mm width. You can check it. Let's type DLI, then hit enter, then come here and here and measure. So we have 900 mm. So I will delete this. Yeah. So now, to be professional, we need to set this in a layer and also make it a block. So I'll come here, click on this and type doors. Hit enter after naming it. Now I'll set the color to my favorite color for doors, which is red. You can use any color you like. Okay. Now I will highlight this. Now go up here and what? Set the layer to doors. So you can see the color changes. Now, without clicking anything again, I'll type B, which is the shortcut for block, and hit my enter button. So I will name it door underscore 900. So we must pick points. So I'll pick points. I prefer using this point. You can use anywhere on the door object. So we'll come here, click OK. Now we have a door of 900 mm. So let's save our work. So I'll go to save as. I have a tutorial list. So just click on this. This is version 4. And I save. So thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe if you love watching our videos, so you can be notified when we make a new video for AutoCAD 2D. Thanks.